Relationships are a beautiful journey filled with love and trust, but sometimes, they can also be loaded with uncertainty. Today, we're addressing a topic that no one likes to think about but is crucial to understand, that is, signs of potential cheating and infidelity. Cheating and infidelity are a serious betrayal of trust that can have a devastating impact on your relationships. If you're worried that your partner might be cheating on you, there are a few signs you can look for. 1. Emotional distance. Cheating can lead to emotional detachment, as the cheating partner may be investing their emotional energy elsewhere. They might seem less interested in your life, feelings, and concerns. You may notice a lack of affection, such as reduced hugging, kissing, or holding hands. Conversations may become shallow or distant. 2. Secrecy. Excessive secrecy about their phone or online activities can be a significant indicator. They may suddenly start guarding their phone, always keeping it locked or face down. Frequent password changes, especially without a valid reason, can be suspicious. 3. Change in routine. Your partner may start spending more time away from home, working late frequently, or taking frequent business trips that seem unusual or unnecessary. They might offer vague or inconsistent explanations for their whereabouts and activities. 4. Decreased intimacy. Cheating can lead to a decline in physical intimacy. Your partner may show less interest in sex, and cuddling and affectionate gestures may decrease. However, this could also be due to other factors like stress or changes in the relationship. 5. Increased defensiveness. Cheating partners often become defensive when questioned about their actions. They may react with anger or irritation, trying to deflect suspicion. Innocent questions about their day or friends may trigger a defensive response. 6. Excessive secrecy about friends. If your partner is suddenly making new friends and keeping their interactions with these friends hidden, it can be a cause for concern. They may be hesitant to introduce you to these new people or provide vague information about them. 7. Change in communication. Look for changes in communication patterns. Your partner might start texting more frequently, especially at odd hours, and be secretive about the content of their messages. They might also use code words or have a separate messaging app for communication. 8. Lack of interest in the relationship. Cheating can lead to a loss of interest in the future of the relationship. Your partner might avoid discussing plans or goals for the relationship. They may not make an effort to spend quality time together or show enthusiasm for your shared future. 9. Unexplained expenses. Cheating can involve hidden expenses, such as gifts or meals for the other person. Check for unexplained withdrawals or credit card charges. Your partner might become secretive about their financial activities. 10. Gut feeling. Sometimes, your intuition can be a powerful indicator. If you have a persistent gut feeling that something is wrong, it's essential to trust your instincts. While it's not conclusive evidence, your intuition can prompt you to have an honest conversation with your partner. Please keep in mind that these signs are not definitive proof of cheating, and they can also be indicative of other relationship problems or personal issues your partner may be experiencing. The best approach is to communicate openly and honestly with your partner, express your concerns, and seek to understand their perspective. Couples therapy can be a valuable resource for addressing issues within the relationship, whether they involve infidelity or other challenges.